Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are showing you one bitchin' 55 Chevrolet. Now check this car out. Complete nostalgic 55 Chevrolet. Car has just had a complete restoration. Features a mild-built small block engine. Aluminum heads. There's a bunch of receipts in the trunk on this car in a little file folder, and the guy spent over $6,000 in just parts alone to build the engine. Bunch of receipts in there. This car, like I say, it's completely just, it's a bad boy. Very nice valve covers, aluminum heads, long tube headers, power steering and brakes, chrome master cylinder brake booster, dual quads, MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, stainless catch cans. The chrome, stainless, and bright work on this car, beautiful. The glass is super cool. It's all blue tinted glass. The paint and body, like I say, the paint on this car is very nice. The car, it's been built to, look like a nostalgic kind of drag car, race car, but it's definitely meant for the street. This is a super cool car. I drove this car. The car came out of Florida, so it's super clean. I'll put some undercarriage pictures of the body and undercarriage when I get it up on the hoist. Door jambs, very nice. Sill plates. Diamond interior. Look at them seats. Blue leather inserts with the all the metallic flake in the seats. Diamond pleated package tray, door panels, the whole interior. Headliner's in good shape. No, I guess it is. It's got one tiny little spot here. Looks like somebody put a little patch on that. Door, the sun visors are there and they're in great shape. Retro radio, 4-speed manual transmission, chrome tilt, I did it, steering column, Dakota digital dash, power windows. I seen this car and I just had to have it. And when you see this car, you're gonna have to have it too. So give us a call. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check out the paint, it's just beautiful. I don't think they get much cooler than this 55 Chevy. 3 little jugs in there, that's pretty neat. Here's all the paperwork. There's tons of receipts from Summit, comp cams. Here's a little thing that the guy just put together. It's all kinds of parts that he put in this engine. There's $4,097, and then there's a set of heads in there I seen for another $1,000. Machine work on the block. Just a bunch of Summit paperwork. I didn't even look through all this stuff. All kinds of stuff in there. So kind of nice to see that when you buy a car, so you can see exactly what they've done to the car. Just pretty sweet. Teen Angel. Look how beautiful and straight that is. Thing says 355 horsepower, which I'm pretty sure it's got more than that. But that's what it would have said back in the day, in a nostalgic kind of car. Got the metal flake steering wheel.
one bad boy.
This thing's so cool. Blue dot tail lights. Say the chrome bumpers look like new. Sitting on the stallion set of American Racing torque thrust style wheels, new rubber on it. LED headlights. much. Have a great day, everybody.